In this video, I'll show you how you can change your League of Legends language to Arabic. Now, the way that we can do this is by simply opening up our right client. From in here, you want to head to the top right, choose settings, and from in here, go to League of Legends. Now from in here, you want to select with the game language, you want to choose Arabic. Now when you select it, you have to wait a little bit. So go out, log into your account, and there will be a small update. Now while it's updating, what it's gonna do is it's gonna install the language to your game. Now this will change the language of all the items, your profile, and basically everything in your account. So when you're in game, your text on the items and in the shop will also be in Arabic. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.